Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I have another St. Patrick's Day nail art inspired look. This time I'm taking an abstract approach by just having a little fun with it and making it up as I go. First off, I have started with 2 coats of Cloverfield from MLF Lacquer, which you guys saw in a video earlier this week that I absolutely loved. And I've done 2 coats, let that dry, and now I'm going in and I have done kind of like a dry brush method of one little stroke of gold, and that is the polish from Heorine lacquer called Gold Rush. And now you're actually seeing me do something else. So the something else is I am starting a little kind of like a concept of the dry brush method, but instead I'm doing them in a stripe format. So I'm putting a whole bunch of really close stripes next to each other to create one bigger stripe. And this is actually going to be in the rainbow color to kind of symbolize like a rainbow that's leading you to the gold, which is why it is touching the gold little line. And I'm just going to do the same thing that I did in yesterday's video with the rainbow and just do red through blue. I'm not worrying about the last two in your traditional Roy G. Biv thing. So we're just going to finish that up real quick. After that is done, or while it is drying, it is then time to go in with some black acrylic paint. And here I'm going to try to kind of add some horseshoes to the nail. Now I didn't 100% think this through in the way that I was filming it, because on my other nails you actually see a full like horseshoe, whereas on this nail you see bits and pieces of it. So I'm putting one up towards the cuticle where the top is kind of going off the edge, so you're not going to see that, but you are going to get the like U shape on the nail. And then we're going to go ahead and do this at the bottom where you're going to kind of see what the top would look like, which is what you would put all together on your other nails to get a full shaped horseshoe. At that point, I thought the horseshoes needed a little bit more detail, so I am now going in with some gold acrylic paint and just adding dots here and there in the black line just to give it a little more character and a little more actual feel to it, if that makes any sense. Now I'm going in with the darker green shade of acrylic paint, and I've decided to go ahead and add a few little clovers in any areas that feel very negative and there's nothing there. So on this nail I've just put 1, but on a few of the other nails I have put 2, so you're just going to vary it upon the space that you have left over after the rest of the design is done. Now that I have that all done and I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to put on my choice of top coat, which this time I decided to go with a shiny top coat to make the design really pop. And that is it. A super easy look with a whole bunch of different abstract sort of things to create a really fun St. Patrick's Day look, in my opinion. And unlike anything else you've seen, which is one of the reasons that I'm probably not 100% sure that I love them, but I definitely love the idea of them, and they're growing on me the more that I look at them and wear them. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this very abstract approach to a St. Patrick's Day like look, and I think that is it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here very soon for another new video. Bye!